In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for KPI tracking. We'll go step by step to set up a simple KPI system inside ClickUp, so you can organize your key metrics, define targets, and view everything in one clear dashboard. To begin, log into ClickUp and open the workspace where you want to track your KPIs. This is important because your workspace is the main area where all of your spaces, lists, goals, and dashboards will live. Once you're inside the correct workspace, create a new space and name it KPIs. Keeping KPI tracking in its own dedicated space makes it easier to stay organized and separate performance metrics from your regular project work. Next, go into the KPI space and create a list called KPI tracking. This list will act as the central place where you store the individual KPIs you want to monitor. Now open the KPI tracking list and click Add Task. Create a separate task for each KPI you want to track. For example, you might create tasks for monthly revenue, new customers, conversion rate, or tasks completed. Setting up one task per KPI makes it easier to review and update each metric individually. After creating your KPI tasks, add the relevant information to each one. Include the current value, the target you want to reach, and the measurement period. This gives each KPI context, so when you review it later, you can clearly understand what the number means and what success looks like. With your KPI tasks in place, open goals from the global navigation. Click New Goal and enter the objective you want to measure. In ClickUp, goals can use measurable targets such as number, currency, true or false, or task targets, which gives you flexibility depending on the type of KPI you're tracking. Then open your goal and create a target for the KPI you want to measure. Enter the target value and update it as your KPI changes over time. ClickUp will automatically update the progress of the goal as those targets are updated, which helps you monitor performance without having to calculate everything manually. Next, open Dashboards, click New Dashboard and choose Start from Scratch. Dashboards are useful because they give you a visual overview of your work and performance data in one place. From the available cards, select Goals and add your KPI goal to the dashboard so you can easily see progress. Then click Add Card, choose Calculation, and configure it to calculate the KPI data you want to monitor. After that, add another card and choose a bar chart, line chart, or pie chart, depending on how you want to visualize your KPI data. Then configure it using your KPI information. Finally, review your dashboard to see your KPI targets, calculations, and charts together. As new results come in, keep updating your KPI targets so the dashboard stays accurate and useful. Thanks for watching.